Today we will going to discuss distortion aberration. This is a type of aberration in which we get a geometrical dissimilarity between object and image produced due to a variation of lateral magnifications of image with height of the object from the axis. There are two types of distortion: barrel shaped distortion, cushion shaped distortion. In barrel shaped distortion, the ray that is approaching from the object is from the lower half, and the object velocity in both cases are same, u same for both cases. But the velocity of image velocity of paraxial rays, that means the rays that is closer to the axis or center region, is more than or greater than with the marginal rays. That's why the image is little different from the object height. And here, if I will put a wire mesh in place of object, in this case of distortion, the corner of the object is drawn inward. The corner of the object is drawn inward. So this is a barrel shaped distortion. In cushion shaped distortion, here the ray approach from the upper height. In this case, the velocity of the object are same, but the velocity of the image for the marginal rays is greater than the paraxial rays. That's why the object height, the image height is different with comparing to the object height. In this case, if I will keep this wire mesh in the place of the object, the corner of the object is drawn outward. It is in the shape of cushion. That's why it is called cushion shaped distortion. How to remove the distortion? If we using the aperture in between the two lenses, that aperture is placed in the image side for the lens 1 and it is in the object side for the lens 2, the barrel shaped and cushion shaped image neutralizing each other, and the final image is free from the distortion. The question will be there, what is distortion? Define distortion, type of distortion, and how to remove the distortion. Thank you.